If you were going to describe me to someone who had never met me before, how would you?
Extrovert, easily bored. Even as a baby, there was nothing I could buy that could keep you quiet for more than 5 minutes, at the most.
I've been drinking, I've been drinking. I get filthy when the liquor getting to me. I've been thinking, why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you, nah, nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off you, baby?
Yeah, so I drank my shit, and then they're like, oh, have some vodka. So I was like, and then we got in, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get this. Then I was like, I'm soon, need another drink, so I got another drink.
We all drink with this idea that we want to lose ourselves or like get lost in this like romanticized version of life, and really that doesn't actually exist. We've made this up, and we still have to wake up the next morning with our hangover in place and the room is spinning, and you're still so aware that you are who you are. Nothing good is ever gonna come easy to you. And I know it's a cliche, but it's the truth. The way you deal with the mistakes is really what makes you who you are, not the mistakes themselves. I don't even know what I'm saying. You are now witnessing Lucy's breakdown. Press 3 to delete.